There's thunder. We're not open.
Hold on, time out. Will someone grab that? Throw that in that box. Let's try again.
Right now, like,
Throw it on that box.
we're closed because of thunder, but are you calling for swim lessons or just open swim? Oh, well, we're closed till, it's every time it's thunder, we have to wait a half hour. I think right now it's 7 o'clock and we can get in as soon as. Yep. Some guy wants to open swim.
Why would you want to open swim in the rain? No.
Kirby's the champ!
That could have been bad, bro. I was so going.
Dude, I want a gladiator fight. Somebody hold this.
I know what to do.
Winner out of you two.
Just keep it.
Tournament. Whoever wins stays. Ready?
Kelly, you're up. Alright, I'm full.
Round will be a rematch, baby.
All right.
Keep it up straight.
Yeah, I was gonna say, watch your balls if there's a rematch.
I was never very
Let me
good
tell
at
you
that.
something, Kelly.
Kelly, that shirt is very stretched out. Kirby's reigning champion.
I got my special move down now.
What's that?
I'm not telling you.
I think I know what it is.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Shirt's in my way.
We'll see.
Oh, Kelly, taking it off.
Thank you.
Is that your move, Kirby? Is that your move? Are you sticking on you? Alright, who's next, Megan? You guys can go up again. I'm sure they're not do good. You can go back. I don't want to go out there. It's cold. I'm gonna towel up. Oh shit!
Look here. The wind's coming. I think I broke my phone. See, that's what Kirby does. He gets the people barbell stuck.
Hey, you're using your head. Oh, phone's ringing again.
5 for 4.
Oh.